Hi, I'm Anime Girl Kitty. No. I actually have a few things that I'm actually discussing. This one is also akibento box. This is not a sponsored video for it. But it's this month. I actually forgot what the theme of this month was. So I'm gonna open that. But before I open this, I actually have big news. I actually bought a car from a dealership. It's a really nice car. It's a 2010 Terrain. It's brown. It's amazing. I'm not the one who drives it. My grandma drives it, which is great because she can drive it. Because we have insurance, full coverage insurance and stuff with Progressive and stuff. But it's an awesome car. So, yeah. But let's get into opening my akibento box. Mwah. I love this box. I love the boxes, but more like I like the stuff inside. Okay. So, let's see. Gotta move back a little. Looks like I got the shirt. Like a shirt. Looks pretty cool. I don't know what anime that is though. Guy and stuff. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty cool shirt. Oh, I got an akibento exclusive. I wonder what's in the akibento exclusive. Oh my god! I got a stress ball. No, dog, you need to back up. It's a stress ball. I don't know what pig this is from. Or maybe it's... Because usually the exclusive gifts have to do with maybe... I don't know what it's from. It's pig. Ooh, I got a Hatsimiku plushie. So it's a little key thing. That's going on my key. To my... Yeah. That's going with my key to the... Okay, what's this? Why do I have a... Oh my god! Excel World coffee cup! Amazing! Get Excel World coffee cup. And then this is the theme for this month. It's cyber. Ooh. I think this might be a car sticker. Who knows what it might be? But I can put that in my car. This might be a car freshener. I got a lot of things that have to do with cars. I guess this month. Okay. So, air freshener for the car. Pink pig stress ball. Show print. It's a bumper sticker. A bumper sticker. Nice. That's going on my car. Hatsimiku plushie. Cyber t-shirt. 1 out of the 5 of the Excel World mugs. So, yeah. There's no person for this month, but good. But my thing just froze, so I'm going to put this stuff back in my box. And I am going to shut this. Okay. Like, subscribe, do whatever. Mainly, my the whole reason was to open this akibento box and then do the surprise that I got a car, which is convenient how I got a bunch of car stuff in here. So I guess this month was a perfect month to get a car. So